Hello, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Yagesh Bogre, and once again, hello and good morning, good evening, whatever works fine with you to the Bracket Hacks team slash judges, whoever is watching this video. This is a video for project demonstration that for the submission that I sent for Bracket Hacks Hackathon. All right. Now, in this hackathon, we had three requirements. As you can see, first we had audio chatbot, video transcription service, and create Discord bot. Now, there were some specific requirements in each of these, but overall, yeah, these three were the main requirements. For this hackathon, I created two submissions. One was a iTranscript a MERN web app, a Discord bot that I named BracketHacks 1.0 because the whole inspiration project was based on this hackathon. So I named it that as well. So let's first describe my first submission, iTranscript. This is a full stack MERN app. The two main points are video transcription and audio chatbot. I combined both of these requirements into a single project and deployed it together in a web app. In video transcription, I'm using a backend for storing the video that user submits. Then I'm storing that in a MongoDB database, and then I'm using that URL that generated from the MongoDB in the symbol AI service and generating transcription for that file. The third is providing the transcription as a TXT file or JSON file, or if the user prefers to copy that transcription directly. So we have a copy to clipboard action as well. The second function of this site, the second feature of the site is the audio chatbot. I created this chatbot with Dialogflow ES and I trained intents there, created the audio bot. The second thing is I used communicate for integrating the audio chatbot with React.js. All right, I deployed this at Heroku. This is the site link. So this is the website that is deployed at Heroku right now. This is the basic UI. At the bottom right corner, there is an audio chatbot placed, right? This is using the communicate that I mentioned before. When I click on this, you can see, hey, what can I do for you is the current response. If I type hi or hey, whatever, the bot will again reply with hi, what can I do for you? This is the default intent that I submitted, right? Other than that, if I write bracket hacks, so it describes what bracket hacks is. We also have one for symbol AI. If I write symbol AI or symbol.ai, whatever, something similar to that, it will give you what the symbol AI platform does, right? We also have one for Wix. So Wix is a free website builder that lets you create a website that you're proud of, right? And then if I type video or video transcription, are you sure you want to generate captions for this file? So this is a video transcription site, so it asks a user confirmation for whether you really want to generate captions for this file or not. If you click no, it will say, all right, let me know when you're sure. If I click yes, it will just give you instructions that, all right, just upload your video using the choose file option from the site, right? So this is the basic chatbot that I deployed using Dialogflow ES and communicate on React.js. Now this basic form here, if I click choose files, I upload the video. When I click on upload, there is a progress bar saying the upload video, and we have an alert saying video upload successful. I'll click on OK, and as you can see, there is only one document right now in the MongoDB database, but when I refresh this, you'll see 2 of 2. So this the backend is working well. This is connected with the backend and now the video is being sent to the backend and using the symbol API service to generate a transcript. This is a transcript that is being generated, and then we have the files: download JSON, copy to clipboard, download. If I click download JSON, as you can see, transcription download a JSON file, and you'll see that file on the bottom. Okay, if I click on the download TXT file and I can open it, and here we'll see the file opening. So everything works fine. When I click go back to another clip, upload another video, this is what happens, right? Now, one disclaimer though, right now I don't have a database service because it's paid on Heroku. So I cannot really create transcription for the videos that the user uploaded. So right now the transcription is being generated for a sample video that was given by symbol AI itself. So if I even submit another file, it will have the same it will give the same transcription because I'm using a static URL. That's one thing. I have to keep working on it, and I'll have to have a paid service to store databases, right? To store the user video files on the database. So this is the project right now I transcribed. So this is all for this React web app. It has a transcription service and an audio chat box. In the about section I've mentioned the basic. This project file was created for BracketHacks 1.0 hackathon. The features, video transcription and chatbot, the libraries I used, etc. And I gave a special mention to Symbol AI because I use their transcription service, and their support team also responded to my queries very well, right? So this is it for this project. The second one is the BracketHacks 1.0 Discord bot. These are the main features, but the main feature for this bot is it responds to audio and video attachments, and like the previous project, it also uses Symbol AI service for getting transcription of that audio / video file. The requirement was only for audio attachments, but I also implemented for video attachments as well. It will, whenever the users attach an audio or a video file to their message, this bot will start a transcription process. It will give them a reply that the video or audio is being loaded. It will send the video URL or the audio URL to the Symbol AI service, and then get the transcription back and reply with that transcription. All right, so this is the basic working of this Discord bot app, and here we'll see how it works. For example, if I send a normal message, instead of anything with attachment, it will say instead of a text, attach an audio file, and it will also give a link to the BracketHacks. If I click, it will ask if you want to get redirected, so I'll say cancel for now. Other than that, if I send an image file, what it will do is the format of the file it has is not recognized. So other than video and audio file, it will always respond with this message for any other extension of attachment, right? If I send an audio file, for example, here I'm sending this audio file loading. I'll also play this video once.
Hello, how do you do?
So as you can hear, there's only one sentence in this. So now we get an interaction button, get into text. When I click on this, it will respond with the transcription. So the only sentence in this video was hello, how do you do? I can also send a longer audio file. This file, if I send it again, after a transcription is loading in the backend, then we are getting a interaction button that is get into text, and when I click on this, it will send you this transcription as a reply. Hello, thank you for playing for the Discord message. I can play this video and you'll see that it's the same sentence that is being replied back. Although the spelling is wrong, I use symbol.ai in the video, and here it is saying shambled audio, but the transcription works fine, right? If I can also, this is an additional feature that I added myself. I created this feature for video files as well. For example, if I send this video, it will also give the transcription back, but the thing is, since it's a video, it will take a longer period of time. File is uploading. Now it will get the transcription, and again will send out the interaction button, and then after that we'll get the transcription back as a reply. So it finally came back. It took around 20 to 30 seconds for a 4.56 MB video. So it takes a bit of time, and this is the transcription text that the video contained. You can play it and directly see it. It's a 3-minute video and took around 20-30 seconds to load the transcription. So this is the basic working of this bot app. Deployed it on Heroku, so it's active on the server 24/7. I have the GitHub repo for this bot right here. That's it for my project demonstration. I had a lot of fun building this 2 projects that I built. I had a lot of fun building these 2 projects. There were a lot of new things because I haven't previously used this tech. For example, this is my first time using Discord.js, the Dialogflow ES, Communicate, and some features of Node.js as well, the multi-library for disk storage, etc. So there were a lot of new things. I learned a lot. And so huge shout out to BracketHacks for providing this opportunity, and also the Symbol AI team, because not only did they provide an amazing transcription service, but also their support team is very interactive. Since I faced a lot of errors, they contacted me and I consulted my errors with them, and eventually after some messages, after some emails, I solved my issue. So a huge shout out to Symbol AI for their services as well. And I think that's it for this video. That concludes the project demonstration as well. And for the people of my channel, I'll see you guys in the tutorial. For that's it for this video. Thank you guys.